Here's Micah with our first dish.
My classic Hawaiian pizza. That's right, sweet and salty, pineapple and ham. Let's get straight to it here. We're answering the age-old question. Do pineapples belong on pizza? And I'm telling you right now, it does.
You don't have to convince me. I love every kind of pizza.
Pizza dough. It's so easy, you'll wonder why you ever ordered takeout. Once you get the hang of it, why not try adding your own herbs and spices? Create a new family recipe.
Come on, and pack up your things. Put them in your back and put your bag on your back and let's begin. Time to kiss your mama, kiss her goodnight. And don't forget to tell her that you're not coming back to the morning light. Put your keys in the car, start the engine up, put the roof down. We're living it up.
Grilling fruit. You've got to try this. It intensifies sweetness and adds depth and character.
Now we're on a roll, having a good time, painting the town, we're living it up.
Canadian treasure, pea meal, AKA back bacon. For the real experience, you've got to try this.
Micah's keeping it real since Hawaiian pizza originated in Canada. Think they have Toronto pizza in Hawaii?
No pizza stone? Here's my trick. Flip over your baking sheet and preheat it super hot. Maybe not quite as easy as takeout, but I promise it'll be worth it.
The sauce is a great way to experiment with new flavors and liven up your pizza.
I can't wait. So good. Seriously, who doesn't like pineapples on pizza?